Hey there everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle an important topic: how to lock your Facebook profile on your iPhone to ensure your privacy. Let's jump right into it. Step 1. Open the Facebook app. First things first, open the Facebook app. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, head to the App Store and grab it. Step 2. Go to your setting and privacy. Once you're in the app, tap on the 4 box in the bottom right corner to open the menu. From there, scroll down and tap on Setting and Privacy. Step 3. Go to Settings. Now, from the drop-down menu, click on Settings. It will take you to Settings and Privacy. Step 4. Lock Profile Settings. In the Settings and Privacy, scroll down to find Profile Locking Settings. Tap on Profile Locking. Step 5. Lock your profile. Here comes the important step. After clicking on Profile Locking, click on Lock Your Profile. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tutorials.